Alright guys, how are you guys? It's nice to see all of you here. Today yet again another review video. So as you can see, today we are actually going to be talking about something that is very useful, which is the autoresponder tool. So as an affiliate marketer or a digital marketer which is online, you or even a business owner where you have a business and in some way you need to communicate with your customers in a form of sending them some discounts or some updates about the upcoming promotion. Autoresponder is critical. So autoresponders are a thing where you can send out scheduled emails to your customer on a timely basis. So that's where this software comes handy. As you can see, this autoresponder is amazing, guys. It serves the same purpose as all the other autoresponders that are out in the market, like Aweber, Get Response, but at a fraction of a price and only a one-time payment. Yes, you are seeing this correctly. You're only going to be getting it at only $19 one-time payment, and in addition to that, you if you're unhappy about it at any point in time, you can always get back the money by just sending the ticket to support and saying that, oh, I want the money back right now, and they'll send it to you. But then the sad thing is, this thing won't last long. For this offer won't last very long. There's a cap to this offer. So I really hope all of you who are watching my video right now, please take action. The link is on the first link above, and in addition to that, I'll be giving you 5 bonuses. These 5 bonuses are actually custom made bonuses from my side. I'm creating 5 ebooks where it's all about how to drive even more traffic, and in addition to that, also on how to do email marketing tactics. These are all for free, and once you sign it up, remember, once you receive an email with a subject from income seekers, once I repeat again, once you receive an email from income seekers, please open it up and then ensure that you uncheck that it is spam. Make sure it goes directly into your inbox so that I can keep sending you valuable stuff. It's pure value, there's no upsells. What I'll be sharing with you are all my own custom made ebooks. On top of that, some of the context that I may have, which I find that it is useful for you. And these guys have been working with me, so me giving it to you, I'm not earning any affiliate commission. All these guys will just assist you because they are getting to know you from me, so they will be giving you the best rate possible. So as you can see, back to this, the function of Profitmailrr, you can send unrestricted amount of emails, unlimited amount of subscribers, and there's a high deliverability. Because right now when it comes to emails, I'm not sure whether you guys have experienced this, but there are many triggers where your emails will end up in the spam, in the junk. You need to warm up the server in such a way where it will end up in the main inbox of a customer. So this software have done a good job in doing that. So in addition to that, they have like done for you templates, autoresponder. Their user interface is friendly. It's just drag and drop, and then it's just a one-time cost payment, guys. How crazy is that? You have never seen an autoresponder which is charging you at a one-time payment. Most autoresponders go by monthly plan basis, or in addition to that, they also charge you once you have more email subscribers. So as you grow your business, it becomes more costly to actually sustain an autoresponder. So yeah, so then as all email marketers or digital marketers or affiliate marketers would say, that the money is in the least, which is totally true. Because when you have all these contacts, your real value as a marketer or digital marketer or even as a business owner is to drive good value to them, so that they will always open up your emails, and with that, definitely you would exponentially grow your business directly or indirectly. So then you can see that Many of us have already signed up to it and we are already using it. And myself, when you're receiving my emails, is also partly used by Profitmailrr. So definitely I have made the switch because it just made no sense to keep paying monthly, and this is an awesome product to have. So yes, so that is all for today. Do check out the first link, click on it, and then you'll be able to access this software at only 19 bucks. And in addition to that, you are going to get the 5 customized, custom made ebook specially for you, and they are mainly relating to driving traffic as well as email marketing tactics. So until I see you in the next time, till then, take care. Bye.